I can see the brown now. It's
Yeah.
that light's on.
Yep.
Oh.
You can see in the camera
He's
too.
a little bit brown too, but he's more.
Yeah.
Those two are like.
Yep, I
solid
know.
Black.
I mean, you see more brown with the light, definitely, like, in the camera. You kind of see brown.
This one gets a lot. Surprised that's not hurting her with those teeth.
I know.
Well, when they get, like, when they fully teach, she'll probably be like, nope.
Yeah,
No more.
definitely start hurting. I know the boy, that one boy,
He's like,
doesn't have much teeth yet in the front.
oh, you're
Aw.
pulling. You can't. You can get to Mama. Oh. You're gonna go in and try to take it
So
out.
cute.
That's his tongue around it.
Mhm.
Oh my god.
I love that. It's so cute. Destiny was like that when I was breastfeeding her. Like, you could see her tongue. It's like curves around. It's so cute.
How are those crackers? Why are you picking it all like that, honey? Did you wash your hands? Okay. Just leave it rolled up like that, baby. Just eat over the plate. Those are crackers and we'll make crumbs. Are they good? Yeah.
That's not a milk there. That's her paw. Elsa, stay. Stay, girl. Elsa. She sees food. Don't give him it because Elsa would jump up.
Don't hold your food over the
Elsa, stay.
Now he's trying to get back. Shut it. Yeah.
It doesn't happen that quickly. You have milk on your head. You're gonna be bigger than her pretty soon. They're as big. Puppies.
Yep, you gotta switch. Try to find more milk. Yeah, we're gonna have to starting them on.
Yeah.
They can't get enough milk.
She's still tiny too, and they're getting big really fast.
Mm-hmm. I know. You're so cute.
Oh my god.
Uh-oh.
She thinks she's getting something. Journey, just turn around and eat over your plate.
Okay.
Elsa's watching them too, and she thinks that they're gonna get something.
Yep.
So she's not gonna want to stay to eat the pups.
Aww.
They probably got it all already.
Yeah, I know, because they keep going different nipple.
He's
Aww.
getting some though. That's good. Oh, oh, they started.
What are you doing?
Aw,
That's to play with.
you.
Aww.
They push you off. I think the tank's empty, you guys. The look on her face, she's so sweet. I can see you.